Health Minister Dr. Marten has informed that she has received a preliminary report on the recent dumping of lakhs of expired medicines at Marten from the DHS, which will be sent to the bureaucrats for detailed study, assuring that as a health minister she will put in all efforts to correct the systemic failure. Dr. informed that a departmental inquiry has been set up in this regard. She said this is not the first time something like this where medicines have expired and disposed of has happened. On June 29th, NGO Awaken India movement found out that lakhs of expired medicines amounting to crores of rupees were dumped at Marten dumping ground. The minister also informed that she had asked the MD of the National Health Mission to immediately form a committee to look into the medicine issue.
A departmental inquiry, and we will make sure. I sat with the MD of NHM just now, and I will appraise the principal secretary as well, the DHS as well, and we will take action so that procedures are put in place. So we are familiarizing ourselves with law. What are these handling rules? When were they instituted? Why is this practice constantly reoccurring? Why is it that we have not set everything in order? My duty is to make corrections.
Cabinet Minister